He goes 1, 2. I know everybody does this, right? Every time I do it, Inasanto does it, Guro Edgar did it, but I'm doing Lameko feed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We'll get into that next. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. That's it. So if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? He goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You got it? So just this is our warm up. Okay? All right. So just gunting. Right now I'm not doing the return stab. I'm just fast feed. Okay? Later it will be 1 and he'll stick. Not yet. Okay, so here, I'm not giving him the chance. Everybody here is pretty advanced, so I think we could get away with this, okay? All right, so whoop, and then yeah, there. I'm not giving him any chance to breathe, okay? Go.